Have you ever wondered if animals know when someone passes away? It's a quiet mystery that many pet owners swear is real animals, especially dogs and cats, have senses that far exceed our own. Their sense of smell is up to 100,000 times stronger than ours. When a person's body changes or shuts down, it releases subtle chemical signals and scents that humans can't detect, but animals pick them up immediately. They also notice micro changes in our body language, heart rate, and emotional energy. When something feels wrong, they act differently, becoming extra clingy or unusually quiet. When a loved one is gone, pets notice the sudden silence. They don't process death with complex logic like humans, but they deeply feel the missing presence. Studies show that pets can show signs of grief, loss of appetite, searching the house, or waiting by the front door for someone who isn't coming back. History is full of famous stories, like Hachiko the dog, who waited years for his owner. It shows that their connection goes far beyond simple instinct. So do animals know? Maybe not in the way we explain it, but through scent, love, and bond, they know when their favorite human is gone. Love truly speaks a language beyond words.